Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use support rule in Warhammer Underworlds. So first we need to note that there's a support for the attacker as well as the target. So if this dog is fighting with the Riptooth right here, then we can, for example, place this guy right here, and he would act as a support to the dog. So we would count halves in the roll the dice section as a success. If he would have another model standing right here, he would then have the fulls, this one, as a success as well. Then another thing for defender, so let's say that this dog is defending and he has the he's standing right here and it's not adjacent to the dog, which means that it won't count as a supporting fighter. If instead he would be placed, for example, right here, he might have count as a support in defending, and you do the same thing. So if you have one support doing defense, you roll halves. If you have two supports, you roll full, and both of them count as a success depending on how many supports you have. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.